Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Wednesday morning, we're waking up to crystal clear skies. It is another warm one out there. Very calm conditions over Biscayne Bay. It looks gorgeous. But as soon as you open that front door, you will be greeted with that heat and the humidity. Now, with the winds being so calm, the air is still, and we did hear reports of some dense fog being an issue throughout inland Miami-Dade and Broward, very far west. We're talking right around Miccosukee. Now, there was no advisories, but just be careful if your travels take you out in those areas. Otherwise, the commute is dry from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West on the radar. Some isolated showers popping up over the Gulf of Mexico, but with our steering winds moving in from the east-southeast, all that moisture will continue to push away from us. Let's talk about these temperatures. 80 degrees right now in Deerfield Beach, 79 in Pompano Beach, 79 in Fort Lauderdale, as well as Pembroke Pines. Good morning to you in Hialeah with a temperature of 77 degrees, 78 in Miami with a relative humidity of 85%, 76 in Kendall, 77 in Homestead. Down by the Keys right now, you're checking with a temperature of 82 in Marathon, and for you in Key West, 83 degrees. So from coast to coast we go. As I mentioned, we are not the only ones dealing with this extreme heat. The jet stream has retreated far to the north. There's a broad area of high pressure in place over the southern states that's stretching all the way into the southeast and up towards the mid-Atlantic states. So take a look at the current temperatures. It's 86 degrees in Phoenix, 84 in Dallas-Fort Worth, upper 70s in New Orleans and Atlanta, as well for us here in South Florida. Look how warm it is to the northeast. Our friends in the northeast waking up to 83 in Washington, D.C., 80 in New York, and 78 in Boston. Now, the place to be is the West Coast. Check that out. It's 55 degrees in Seattle and 65 in Los Angeles. Now, we have high pressure in place over the western Atlantic, and that's stretching all the way into the Gulf. That's providing for our local wind flow to move in off the ocean, bringing us the heat and the humidity, and we will see that possibility of some isolated thunderstorms inland Miami-Dade and Broward, and those storms will push back towards the west as we see the sea breeze triggered this afternoon. Otherwise, as we look to the national view, not only did I show you the temperatures as of currently, but by this afternoon, some temperatures are going to heat up past 100 degrees. Therefore, there is a heat wave in effect throughout the southern and mid-Atlantic states. 11 states under heat advisories today. There feels like temperatures will be anywhere between 105 and 110 degrees. So the heat advisory starts in Oklahoma and Texas, stretches all the way east and towards the Carolinas. We are tracking something in the tropics. As of about 2 minutes ago, the National Hurricane Center sent out some information about an area of low pressure in the southern Bay of Campeche, a 10% chance of development, low chance within the next 24 hours as it will start to move over land. Otherwise, no advisories for your marine forecast. Miami-Dade and Broward, the Bay will be to light chop. No advisories for you in the Keys, near shore waters with a light chop. Highs today in the lower 90s at the coast, mid 90s inland. Lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. Here's your 7 on 7. We'll stay hot and humid for the rest of the week. Have a great day.